Hello everyone, I am Farah. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am sharing with you this very easy hat pattern. It's for spring or summer. If you know how to make double crochet or single crochet, you can make this very easily. So let's get started. So make 4 chains and in the last chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. And now we have this small ring or circle. I'm going to make 12 double crochets in this ring. Now we have 12 double crochets, slip stitch, make slip stitch onto top of this double crochet, and now pull this tail to make this ring a little smaller. Now chain for the second round, chain 1 and make double crochet into the same stitch. So this is our increased round. We'll make 2 double crochets in every stitch. So we are making 2 double crochets into every stitch. And now at the end of this round, we should have 24 double crochets. Slip stitch on top of this double crochet, chain 1, and now we'll make 1 double crochet into this stitch and then increase 2 double crochets into the next stitch. One double crochet into the next stitch and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch, same stitch. And at the end of this round, we should have 36 double crochets. That was our third round. Now slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, chain 1, make double crochet into this same stitch we just made slip stitch. For this round, 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches and then increase. One and two, and into the next we'll make 2 double crochets. At the end of this round, we should have 48 stitches. Slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, chain 1, first double crochet into the same stitch we just made slip stitch. For this round our pattern is 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches and then increase. At the end of this round, we should have 60 stitches. Slip stitch, chain 1, and for this round we'll make 1 double crochet in every stitch. So we made 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now at the end of this round, make a slip stitch, now round 7, chain 1, make a double crochet into the same stitch, and now chain 1, skip 1, and into the next make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, and into the next double crochet. So we'll repeat this pattern all the way around. At the end of this round, we should have 30 double crochets and 30 chain stitches. and 30 chains. Slip stitch, and for round 8 we'll make 1 double crochet in each double crochet and in each chain. So our first double crochet on top of this double crochet, and next we'll make our double crochet into this chain. So we'll make double crochet on top of every double crochet, and also we'll make double crochet into the chain. So now we are at the end of this round. Last double crochet into this chain, slip stitch, and these 7 and 8 rounds are the repeat rounds until we get to the brim. Now if you think it's not long enough, you can put more rounds or you can make less rounds. I'll make 2 more rounds. Now I am repeating round 7, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and into the next double crochet and chain 1. So I made 4 rounds and I repeat 7 and 8 rounds. 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and into the next double crochet and chain 1. And next round, 8th round, was 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Now we are making our hat's brim. So chain 1 and make a double crochet into the same stitch, double crochet into the next, 1 more double crochet into the next, and now we'll make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So we are increasing our stitches. 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches, and then 2 double crochets into the next. So this is our brim. Now we are at the end of this round. and we made our brim. Now slip stitch, chain 1, and for this next row now we are not increasing any stitch. We'll make 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. So this is our double crochet round in each and every stitch. If you want your brim bigger or smaller, you can add more rounds of double crochets. You can add more double crochets round, but I am finishing off here. And now this is our finishing round. I'll make 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Excuse me, not double crochet, 1 single crochet. One single crochet in each and every stitch, and this is our finishing round. Now I made a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off your yarn. And now we completed our summer hat. And it's a very easy, nice summer hat. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting, everyone.